Alright, hello everyone. The purpose of this video is just to get us started by downloading R. And so if you click on the link provided, you should get to this website called rproject.org. Downloading R is generally pretty straightforward. You could just click on my screen, which I'll zoom in a little bit. Click this download R button. That will take you to this list of crayon mirrors, and in general it doesn't really matter too much which one you pick, but it goes a little faster if you pick one closest to your current location. So I scroll down to USA, and let's see, I'll just pick this one. I'll pick the Pittsburgh, PA one. That should take you to this page, and then you just need to select your appropriate operating system. So I'm currently on Mac OS, so I'm going to click the second link. But if you're on Windows or Linux, you would pick the third or first link, respectively. So I'll click Download R, and then the first link provided should be the right one. So I'm going to click that R package. There are some other versions of R for older Macs, but those are becoming less and less common. Once you download that, you could click on what you downloaded, and it should walk you through the rest of the steps. So pretty much you have to agree to the licensing, so that's fine. Wherever it installs by default should be good. You click install. And you should get this message that installation was successful. And so you can move the installer to the trash if you would like. After that, R should be in your applications, so you can navigate to that however you normally would. It will be slightly different if you're on Windows. You can open it. We won't ever actually be using R directly through this interface. We will use RStudio, which we'll download next. But you could still open R if you want, and you could type in some simple math equation and click enter and just verify that it's working. It is, so that's fine. I'm going to close it out. And in the next video, we will start installing RStudio, which will really be the interface that we're using for the semester. All right, so till then.